Bonide has been providing solutions to home gardeners for over 80 years. This includes our highly effective fruit care products. Growing your own fruit can be an extremely gratifying and tasty experience, but it can also be very frustrating because fruits and berries are very vulnerable to attack from insect and disease pests. To combat these pests, we recommend starting with our "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure" product, all seasons horticultural spray oil. It's inexpensive and cleans up insect infestations from the egg stage right through the entire life cycle to the adults. To prevent and eradicate both insect and disease infestations, we recommend a regular spray schedule using our all-purpose fruit tree spray. This time-tested product takes you through the entire season and makes fruit you can eat. Our Garden Natural Citrus Fruit, Nut, and Orchard Spray also controls both insects and diseases, and it can be used on additional plants like nuts and vegetables. It also comes in our ready-to-spray twist and shoot bottle that connects to your hose and adjusts from tall tree spraying to gentle low-growth garden spraying. Fruit growers have trusted the Bonide family of products since 1926 because it's Bonide, now more than ever.